project, I have worked for three classes: screen, splash screen, and menu. You can see the error files on the right and the CPP files on the left. First class is screen class, which have four basic functions. The overloaded constructor sets the texture and coordinates. Render function renders the texture, while the other two functions returns the dimension of the screen, which is currently set to 1000 by 650. Splash screen is the second class which I have worked on. There are two basic functions. The override constructor sets the SDL rect values, while the init function checks the delay and changes the type of the screen. The third class is a menu class. It also has two basic functions. The override constructor sets the value of buttons and load the font sprite, whereas the draw button function renders it. In the main CPP file, I have created new splash screen and menu and called the render functions to display them on the screen.
Hi, my name is Wahaj Ahmad, and this is the second project progress video for object-oriented programming and design methodologies. I have been working on the back end of my game, which is Rahim's Big Chips, and so far I have worked on three classes: inventory, the cut tray, and the stove. All these three classes are singleton classes. The inventory will keep track of the player's score, money, and number of raw potatoes. It will have method which will either increase the score, decrease it, increase the money earned, or whenever he spends money then decrease the money. It will also have functions for ordering the potatoes, and also dequeuing any raw potato. Potatoes are being stored in a queue. Then the potatoes go to the cut tray. The cut tray is also singleton. Inside the cut tray, the player can basically do two functions, which are peeling the potatoes and cutting the potatoes. We have set the condition so it makes sure that the potato is peeled before it can be cut, and it is present there before it can be peeled even. Then we have our stove class. In our stove class, the potatoes are being cooked, and we also have the conditions in the CPP of the stove class where it makes sure that the potatoes are cut and peeled properly before they can be cooked. Then we have a method called burnt potato. If the potatoes are left for a long while inside the stove and not taken out, then this function will basically change the state of the potato to burnt potato, and the player will not be able to serve that. This is our main file, and this is how it works. So far we have been taking user input from the keyboard because since I'm working on the back end, I have not merged it with the SDL. So if you press 1, it says potato edit. Cut tray now has a potato. If you press 1, 2, then it says potato is not peeled. 1, 2 is the command to cut those potatoes. You cannot cut if the potatoes are not peeled before. So you peel them first and then you cut them. So it says raw potato has been peeled and then peeled potato has been cut. Then you press 2 to take those potatoes from the cut tray and put them inside the stuff. So it says cut tray is now empty and the potato has been added. So if you want to put some potatoes inside the cut tray while the food is being cooked, you can do that by pressing 1 again. So cut tray the potato again. So this is how it works. That's my part so far. Thank you.